So how you can use Midjourney AI privately in your own Discord server. So first of all, make sure that you have created your own server by clicking on this add a server and follow the on-screen instructions. I have created mine already, so let's simply open up the Midjourney, and what you need to do is to simply click on this Midjourney bot. Simply right click or left click on it and click on this add app button. Now as you can see, there is an option of add to server, so simply click on it. Then you just gonna need to select the server in which you want to add your Midjourney bot and click on the continue. Click on authorize, and after adding your Midjourney bot you can click on the go to server, and there you have it. Now you just gonna need to go to the general and simply type imagine, and there you have it. You can now type whatever you want to type, and if you have subscription, this will gonna generate your own image into your own private server. So hope this helped. This is how you can use Midjourney privately in your own Discord server.